Hello, Dubai.
Just landed.
Welcome to Dubai.
Welcome to Dubai.
The tallest building in the world from M Global, oh.
Yeah.
Good morning, Dubai. M Global.
Start na kami here in Dubai. Hi. Welcome to our first OPP.
Good morning po.
G-Force Dubai.
Power TGX Dubai.
Global Dubai, sama ka na, malakas.
Wala pa 10 o'clock, parang puno na yung venue natin. Ganun ka-powerful ang M Global. Kaya, okay na kayo lahat.
Wahid iting talata arba kam sa sita sa bata man niya sa tasyara.
Bodies prevent diabetes, hypertension, cancer. It's good for everything that you know of. It also has 18 amino acids. These are the building.
You see those people, I see money in their eyes. Everybody wants to earn money.
So the system, you just have to go into the system and let the system work for you.
M Global Beach is a people's business.
So we have one English OPP here at 6 p.m.
So thank God that I made this company. Thank God that I made the product, and share it as much as you can to everyone because you will help someone to protect his life.
Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa Dubai para sa anniversary ng M Global. Grabe, ang dami-daming attendee. Alam problema namin dito, parang Pilipinas lang. Wala na rin ticket namin.
Yes, power dito sa UAE.
Nakaka-inspire, Ibang tubig dito. Pangmayaman ang tubig dito.
It's wild, Wally!
Tess, kung yung tinuturo mo, kaya mong gawin. Focus.
Hi! Grabe! Ang gagawin namin, hindi relax,
moderate, hindi trail. Kung hindi,
Intense
Grabe, hindi ko na maramdaman ng tenga at ilong ko.
It's negative 3 degrees in this ski Dubai, and we're inviting you to join us here at United Arab Emirates. Hope you can join us in the next Dubai trip. Power, FIDA.
Ito ka sarap sa Global! Sumama ka na!
He's our driver.
ay guys, grabe. Pinagagawa na sa buhay namin. Tekla! Alam nyo ba na pag binigyan ka ng isang mayaman ng camel, napakaswerte mo kasi pinapasa siya nga malaki ko yung lakas niya. Yes!
Night safari. Mamaya, meron belly dancing dyan. Masaya.
Syukran, katir, kalam, tiyan.